Welcome to your guide on how to use the Classy Pro. So let's begin! To start, use the remote, turn on the unit, just press the middle button or the power button twice. And when turning it off, press the unlock button.
For the key method, turn it clockwise to power on and turn it counterclockwise to power off. Now for understanding your bike. The dashboard shows your speed, turn signals, lights, and battery level. Keep an eye on the battery as you charge it promptly and let it cool for a better performance. Also, when you are using the brakes, just step on the foot brake. This bike can carry 1 driver and 5 passengers, and there's also a space at the back for more cargo or another passenger. It comes with a steering wheel, a radio, just press the power button and you can select between modes FM or Bluetooth. It has a speaker on side, a USB portal, and a mini fan. It is equipped with tubeless tires for added durability and performance.
The Classy Pro has a dashcam. Located at its indicator, to navigate the dashcam, just press the reverse or the R button. It comes with a rain cover and a wiper too. To turn the wiper on, there's a lever on the right side. Turn it up or down to navigate. Remember, you can also charge in the USB portal. This bike is equipped with a foot accelerator, providing a convenient way to control your speed. Simply press the accelerator with your foot to smoothly increase your speed, ensuring a comfortable riding experience. Moving on to the lights and signals. Turn on the front lights for better visibility, use the turn signals for safe turns and driving, and use the horn for safety too. This bike comes with the crown lights and has an under LED light chassis.
Up next are the gear and driving modes. Use drive D to move forward and reverse R to back up. At the right, there's 3 rectangular buttons. Pick L for low speed for flat roads, and for hills, pick M for middle speed or H for high speed.
Now heading to charging your bike. When it's time to charge, plug the charger into the charging port. Use a charger that says 72 volts and 20 amperes to match the bike. Plug the charger into a 220 volt outlet. The light will be red when charging and green when done.
And last but not the least, the anti-theft feature. Your bike comes with a built-in alarm system for security. To activate it, simply press the lock button on your remote. Once activated, if anyone attempts to move or tamper with your bike, the alarm will sound and the engine will automatically lock. And when you're ready to use your bike again, just press the unlock button on your remote, which will deactivate the alarm and unlock the engine.
So that's it! Now you know how to use your Classy Pro electric bike.
Stay safe and enjoy your ride, everyone!
Jisu e-bike, your professional choice.